If you own a European car, you probably know how costly those trips back to the dealership for maintenance can be. Luckily, we're spoilt for choice when it comes to aftermarket parts and independent workshops like Heasmans that are more than equipped to work on your vehicle. A family-run business for over 60 years, Heasmans has all of the tech, tools and know-how to service these European cars. Combine that with the right selection of aftermarket parts and you have a brake service experience to rival the OE dealer, especially when it comes to your wallet. The main thing most customers want is an equivalent brake product to the original parts, but without the wear issues. The standard manufacturer pad will wear the brake rotor down, causing lots of dust on the wheels and more expensive repairs at the dealer. Euro Plus solves this, being a low dust, low rotor wear ceramic formulation braking solution, keeping your wheels clean. Next time your European car is up for its next brake service, be sure to consider an independent workshop like our friends here at Heasmans and ask your mechanic to fit Bendix Euro Plus.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.